Welcome to kareenfrancesdaulong. Like and subscribe.
Alright, okay guys. Now I'm going to teach you or tuturo ko ngayon kayo to how to make Facebook dark mode. Alright. By the way, Facebook dark mode is automatic. So automatic siya mag-install the update. Before you do this, okay, this and the other one, the flags, the settings that we did a while ago, just to remember. It wouldn't work if you don't have the latest version. And there, it's already installed. So let's go.
A few moments later.
Let's start. Oh, just type in facebook.com. There. Okay, so this is the normal or standard version, and if you want to test it, so just click on the extension, left click it, then choose the night classic or any of these themes here, and there it's back. So this is the dark mode again, and that's how you do it. So later I'm gonna show you how to do it on the Android app. Alright, so thanks for watching kareenfrancesdaulong. Like and subscribe. See you.